Welcome to the top best. The best shower chair is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for anyone who needs a little extra support and stability in the bathroom, especially when it comes to showering. This DMI tub transfer bench and sliding shower chair is designed to make your bathing experience safer and more comfortable, allowing you to maintain your independence and dignity. We'll dive deep into its features, benefits, and whether it's the right choice for your specific needs, helping you make an informed decision. Number 5. Drive Medical Tub Transfer Bench. Regain your independence in the bathroom. This transfer bench is designed to make bathing safer and more comfortable for you. Easily adjust the height to suit your needs. It ensures a perfect fit for your bathtub and your comfort. Constructed with durable aluminum, it offers exceptional stability. You can rely on its sturdy build for everyday use. Enjoy added comfort with the supportive backrest. It provides a comfortable place to lean while you bathe. With a robust 350 pounds capacity, it's built to support you securely. Feel confident and safe during every use. What we like? This option offers a comfortable backrest and adjustable height for personalized comfort. If you prioritize a comfortable and customizable bathing experience with a solid weight capacity, this is a great choice. What people say. The bench is very sturdy and stable, making it feel safe to use. The sliding feature works smoothly, allowing easy transfer into and out of the tub. The adjustable height is a great feature, allowing customization for different users. Number 4. DMI Tub Transfer Bench and Shower Chair. Introducing the DMI Tub Transfer Bench and Shower Chair. Designed to make bathing easier and safer for everyone, it simplifies transfers and reduces strain. Enjoy easy, tool-free assembly with detailed instructions. This freestanding unit requires no permanent mounting and can be configured for right or left side installation. It features a rust-resistant aluminum frame, a blow-molded seat with a backrest, and a safety belt. Non-slip feet and a convenient handle provide extra stability. The removable cutout offers easy perineal access, making personal hygiene simpler. It's ideal for the elderly, disabled, or those recovering from surgery. With an adjustable seat height and a weight capacity of up to 400 pounds, it provides reliable support. Experience a more comfortable and secure bathing experience. What we like? Its standout feature is the safe sliding design, making transfers effortless and reducing strain. If you or a caregiver struggle with transfers, or if you're looking for a tool-free assembly and a higher weight capacity, this is the one to consider. What people say. The bench is very sturdy and well-made. The sliding feature works smoothly and makes it easy to get in and out of the tub. The adjustable height is a great feature for customizing the fit. Number 3. Medline Heavy-Duty Transfer Bench. This heavy-duty bench is designed for seniors and individuals with mobility impairments. It provides a safe and easy way to enter and exit your bathtub or shower. Easily customize the seat height with a simple push-button design, adjusting from 17.5 to 22 inches. The reversible backrest can be positioned on either side to fit your specific tub or shower layout. Gain extra stability and support when sitting down or standing up. The stationary armrest provides additional security on one side, while the backrest offers comfort and balance. The slip-resistant feet are designed to prevent sliding outside the tub. Wide, suction cup feet ensure added security and stability while you are in the tub. Setting up is a breeze with our simple, tool-free assembly. Built with a high-strength, rust-resistant aluminum frame, this bench can support up to 400 pounds. It's a durable and reliable solution for your bathing needs. What we like? This model provides extra stability with its armrests and a reversible backrest to fit your specific tub. If you need additional support for sitting and standing, and want a reversible design for flexibility, this heavy-duty option is ideal. What people say. This bench is very sturdy and stable, making it feel safe to use. The adjustable height feature is excellent, allowing for a perfect fit. It was easy to assemble and install, which was a great relief. Number 2. Platinum Health Carousel Sliding Shower Chair. Introducing a professional-grade sliding transfer bench designed for safe and easy entry and exit from your bath or shower. Its effortless sliding and pivoting mechanism ensures a secure experience every time. Experience unparalleled comfort with our fully padded shower seat, backrest, and armrests. Unlike traditional chairs, this offers warm-to-the-touch, slip-resistant padding that won't absorb water and is easy to clean. The innovative swivel seat design not only enhances safety and ease of use but also conserves bathroom space. It protrudes less into the room, offering more convenience for both users and others. Gain extra confidence with robust, padded armrests that provide leverage for transfers and crucial support. They help prevent slips and falls, offering both physical and psychological reassurance. This versatile handicap shower chair can be used on either the right or left side of your tub or shower. Please ensure you check the product dimensions to guarantee a perfect fit for your space and needs. Join thousands of satisfied customers who trust our products for their quality, safety, convenience, and comfort. It's the preferred choice in hospitals, nursing homes, and private residences. What we like? Experience ultimate comfort with its premium padded seat, back, and armrests, plus a unique swivel feature for easier maneuvering. If comfort and ease of movement are your top priorities, and you appreciate a premium, space-saving design, this is a luxurious choice. What people say. The bench is sturdy and well-made, providing a secure place to sit while showering. The sliding feature of the chair makes it easy to get in and out of the tub, reducing the risk of falls. The adjustable height allows for a customized fit, ensuring comfort and proper support for different users. Number 1. SOUHEILO Shower Chair. This shower chair is eligible for purchase with your FSA or HSA funds, offering a convenient and tax-advantaged way to enhance your bathing safety. Rest assured with its SGS certification, this shower seat has undergone rigorous testing for safety and stability, providing peace of mind for users with mobility challenges. Experience enhanced safety with its anti-slip features, including a padded seat with drainage and angled, rubber-capped legs for superior stability in wet environments. Crafted with an aluminum frame, it's incredibly lightweight for easy handling, yet robust enough to support up to 300 pounds, ensuring long-lasting use. With 6 adjustable height settings, it can be customized to fit most individuals, providing a secure and comfortable bathing experience for seniors, disabled, or pregnant users. Assemble it in just 2 minutes without any tools, making it a perfect gift that's easy to set up and use right away. What we like? This shower chair is FSA HSA eligible and incredibly lightweight for easy portability. If you're looking for an affordable, easy to assemble, and portable option that meets safety standards, this is a practical and convenient selection. What people say. The bench is very sturdy and the sliding feature works smoothly, making it easy to get in and out of the tub. The adjustable height is a great feature, allowing for a comfortable seating position for different users. The non-slip feet provide excellent stability and safety, giving peace of mind while showering. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.